just, you know, vlogging, drinking my coffee and driving. So
happy story.
So you can hold that.
Today was our last day of high school.
Woo!
Summer bitches. Can I cuss?
For sure.
Okay.
I mean, I might lose some money from being demonetized, but
yeah,
it's okay.
From all your sponsorships.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, go on.
So it's our first night of summer, and we had plans with our 2 friends. Didn't happen. That's all we're gonna say.
That's tea.
Tea, sister.
Tea right there.
But yeah, plans fell through, to say the least. And I don't have any other friends, so we didn't have anything else to do. But actually, this is where I skipped some part of the story. We do have other friends, but they're all at my boyfriend's lake house. It's all his friends, and our friends. Yeah. They're all boys.
You're doing great.
They're all boys. That's why I said his friends, but they're all friends. Really? They're all a grade older than us. But usually, if we didn't have if we weren't hanging out with the 2 people we were gonna hang out before, then we'd hang out with them. But they're at the lake, so the lake that we're going to is only 45 minutes away.
But it's 8:15 right now.
And it's 8:15. But then we're like, you know what? Why don't we just go?
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm turning in, but this car was coming up on me fast.
Yeah, so we were kind of joking about oh, we should just go to the lake, and then we were serious the entire time. We both really wanted to go.
We said it 5 times, and we're like, no, call your mom, we're going.
Yeah, so our parents said we can go, but I think we're gonna come back at
I have some
1
sleeping
a.m.
troubles.
Yeah, because this girl can't sleep other places but her own bedroom. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna have a little slumby tonight back at her house. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight, and we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, so cheers, bitch.
How you want?
I don't want to get
Why is my life already 500 times better than now that I know it's summer? That's not just a saying, that's a real ass thing.
We'll just catch up with you guys later. We're on our way.
Get our shit together.
Maybe in 30 minutes. I don't fucking know.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you just our scenery right now. We live in a beautiful country.
Beautiful state.
It looks like it's raining over there. This is it. It's honestly the view driving down here is absolutely gorgeous.
People give shit. People give Iowa shit, but you know what? This is fucking gorgeous. So take it
fucking look at this. Are you kidding me?
Take a screenshot so you can set it as your...
Yeah, fucking put that shit as your fucking background, because I don't think I've Colorado
Never get old.
put to fucking shit with this view.
California, Florida. Just wanted to show you that.
Just wanted to. Yep. Okay, bye.
Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
And off the road we go.
Oh fuck! This next part. Fuck yes! Gets me in tears. Here we go.
Thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly, let it ring, salute the ones who died, the ones that give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice.
That's all for this part of the vlog.
Precious child.
Hi guys, so a little update for you guys. We made it to the lake.
Also, we almost got literally in a huge accident.
Should have gotten it on there for clickbait.
Yeah.
But we made it in one piece. So
Clickbait. Died in a car accident.
I'm gonna
Okay, I'm not gonna go knock on wood.
This
that's
is
terrifying.
yeah.
I'm knocking on it.
This is the
This is true.
only girls here, so kind of sluts right now. Okay, bye. Oh, babe. I'll be at your door in 10 minutes. Wherever you go, girl, stay in. I don't leave the house to have a good time. I'm out. Get in the vlog. For the YouTube. Tucker made it last year. Hi guys. So this is the outro for the video. We drove all the way back. It is 1:15 a.m. because we're troopers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Melody, have anything to say?
I used to pee really bad. We had such a banger ride home.
Dude, fuck, my voice is gone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Grad parties in the morning, 9 a.m.
Oh yeah, getting after it. We're gonna get probably
Getting it.
Okay, gonna try to upload more because summer, bitch. Okay.
Summer, bitch.
That's all for